Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to recover Instagram account without email, password, and phone number. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Alright, so first up, when you try to go ahead and log in, alright, at this specific page, what you gotta do is just go ahead and enter your username. Okay, remember your username, or make sure that you have your username. For example, I'm going to recover this account right here. Go ahead and please try a password that you remember. If it's still not working, well, go ahead and tap on forgot password. If there will be a pop-up, just hit on allow and then type down the username once more. And then once that's done, just hit on continue. And by the way, if you think your account is hacked, you can go ahead and tap on this option. It will ask you to fill in some details. Okay, this is the best method by far. And as you can see here, as fast as that, automatically I'm being logged in. Okay, without taking further steps. Now, if it asks you to enter a password, okay, you can just go ahead and tap on forgot password again. And after that, you will be able to see a ton of options. It will ask you if you want to verify it via your other emails that is tied to your Instagram account, okay, or verify it via phone number that is tied to your account as well. So if not, the best possible option that you have right here is that you tick on or you tap on, I think my account is hacked, okay. You're going to want to tap on it. Now tap on OK right here. Make sure that you type down the username. I think my account is hacked. Okay. And as you can see here, you can now be able to change your password. So just go ahead and type down the new password and then just hit on continue. And after that, you'll be logged in. And there you have it. That's how you recover your Instagram account without email, password, and number. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.